Okay.
Delicious. Whew, what a little nubbin. Rolling boil.
Break.
Smack you. How much drugs have you taken? Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today, guys? We're doing a vegan recipe today because we're trying to be healthy, ready for the winter. This is a nice comforting recipe that I stole and adapted from our friends Sam and Anna. Okay, so here are the ingredients. So we have pasta, we've got carrots, oranges, roasted cashew nuts, make sure they're unsalted, okay? Olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's it. Right, let's get started. I'm gonna peel the carrots. Right, that's all peeled. Take the ends off. Just gonna cut this roughly. And then we're gonna chuck it in the air fryer on bake. Goes in. Da-da-da. Give your oranges a little Thai massage. Get the juices out. And then we juice. Ooh, juicy. Put that in. That's one. We're gonna take the grater. Take some for some flavor. And then let's juice this guy also. Slippery little sucker. Great time to make this recipe because it's winter, so oranges are in season. So that's 2 oranges. And then now, we're gonna season it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sea salt, a bit of olive oil. That's a little bit. Pepper. Right. I like to put a vegetable oxo cube in. So I squeeze it until it turns into a powder and then I sprinkle it as seasoning also. Just gets a bit more depth of flavor because they've already done the hard work for me. I forgot the onions. So I'm just gonna cut this up, slice it and add it in. Give it a good stir. That looks pretty good to me. Put on bake. 190 degrees for about 30 minutes and then we check it. Oh, yes it is. That's a lot of water for the pasta. Ready? Ten minutes. Look at the bubbles. Look at that caramelization. Okay, gotta transfer the contents of that into the pot. For those of you who are thinking, why don't you just do it in the bloody pot? You can. But I love the flavors of roasting things because it develops lots of sugars and therefore it tastes a lot better, innit? Oh, can you smell that? Oh, I could lick that right now. This is the consistency that you want, okay? Look at that caramelized onion, everything is all jammy. Cashews go in. We're gonna take some pasta water out and drain it because it's been 10 minutes. Coming back in with the pasta water into the sauce. And then we're gonna blend it up and see the consistency. Add a bit more water so I can blend it nicely. Cut.
Why?
I'm sweaty. Just sweaty. So now we're here because my husband says,
but this is too orange.
Beige, and now he wants green. So this is my green. I got some basil. I have some basil. Oh my god, now there's a bloody slug eating my bloody blueberries. So, my suckies are wet. We got green now. Come on. We have our pasta. We have our pasta sauce. Some shells. A bit more sauce on top. Homemade chili oil. Just tear some basil. And that, my friends, is my vegan cashew and carrot pasta.